Of course it's top heavy, of course it's front heavy, the CG is all messed up, but it's basically something fun that I wanted to do. Hi, this is Anthony from Dad Outnumbered. I'm out here testing something that's absolutely ridiculous, but I wanted to do something a little bit different for side-by-side comparisons for action cameras. Instead of actually just mounting one camera on the drone and flying around and doing hopefully the same pattern that you just did with the drone for the next camera, I decided to build a dual camera mount that allowed me to test both of the cameras at the exact same time and do side-by-side comparisons with the same conditions. So I decided to build something ridiculous and flew it on my 7-inch BQE Bandolero drone. Take a look. I know it's ridiculous and something completely silly, but I wanted to be able to build something a little bit different to test my cameras at the same time. Now, I know that it's front heavy, I know the CG is off, I know flight time is diminished because of the weight, but it was just something fun that I wanted to try. This is Anthony, the Dad Outnumbered. Please like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.